If we have a promotion announcement bar or a special offer showing on our website and we want to track how many people are interested in special offer and click on it, yes, it's possible to track that. Inshallah, in this video I will show how to track clicks on our promotion banner or special offer using Google Tag Manager and send that data to Google Analytics 4. Let's inspect this announcement bar. We found the ID of announcement bar. Using this ID, we were setting up a trigger in Google Tag Manager and send that data to GA4. Navigate to Google Tag Manager, move on variable, and we enable built-in variable all of clicks. Now let's create a tag. New tag configuration, Google Analytics GA4 event. Paste here measurement ID. If you have previously created a constant variable for the measurement ID, select that variable. Then event name. Move on event parameter, then add parameter. Event parameter should be click text and select value. Again add parameter should be click URL and select value. Again add parameter and should be click ID and select value. Now let's triggering. Click on plus icon, trigger configuration. There is a link in the backend of our announcement bar, so I select just link. Some links, select variable, click ID equals, select again and copy our announce bar ID and paste here. Now let's the trigger name, then save and the tag name. Now save. Let's preview and check our tag trigger is working properly. Enter here website URL, then connect. Click on the announcement bar, move on tag assistant, then continue. Our announcement click tag is fired. Let's check is send that data to Google Analytics 4. Select event. Here we see all our parameters are sent. We can also check in the GA4 debug view. We can see that GA4 receiving data properly. Click ID, click text, click URL. Let's back to Google Tag Manager and submit. Name the version, then publish. Our announcement bar click tracks done.